Cayuna, a setup to Erica Santos. That opposite spiker.
That's officially her second point as a Signal HD spiker. Kaya naman pala nagmadali yung Signal na makuha to after Marilee. Middles. Doria Aquino and Jackie Acuña already have points on the board.
The lead is back to 3. Not the best of receives. Back row soft touch for Santos. Domingo almost. A chance here for the HD Spikers. Santos from the back row.
You do not give Erica Santos an open block.
Here with 3 points now, Neil. That one lethal from the back row. This spike. Tagaod misreceived. Chance ball signal. Cayuna the set. Erica Santos off.
Will really be one of the go-tos.
Cayuna, tough back. Erica Santos, welcome to the HD Spikers.
What a fitting end for the first set. Look at that again. Erica Santos, practically a free block up front.
As this is brought to you by Myra, the Vita Brighter with Myra's vitamin-powered whitening lotion. Erica Santos, how are you liking that chemistry so far with both Tiamzon and Erica Santos? This is the first time we are seeing this.
Sa mga gagaling na setter kagaya ni Jel Cayuna, kahit sino ipasok mo, makukuha din niya yung preferred sets nila. Like that. That's another point for Erica Santos. Siya yung nag-a-adjust dun sa gusto ng spiker, not the other way around.